I can see a little piece wants to tear off for me. Let's try it, all right? Hear that crunch? Pretty good, huh? Yeah, we are going to make a pepperoni pizza. Yeah, why? Why pepperoni pizza? Well, I thought I'd get out my little butane stove, and people are afraid to use butane stove. Now, why the silly accent? Because we are getting over our fear of butane stove. Very simple. Just be safe. Have fire extinguishers and everything. Anyhow, it's military. In case you haven't guessed. But yeah, we're going to make a delicious pepperoni pizza using our butane stove. Please check out my Amazon link in the description below. And remember, it costs you nothing to help this channel. Stove. Now, if you bought the griddle over at Walmart or on the link below, yeah, if I actually put up a link, that would be pretty good. So
I figured it out and it's there. Yay!
I'm going to get out my Eureka griddle. And let me show you the massive ingredients that we got. But first I'm going to pop in my butane canister. It's more than half full. And this is a shout out to Arneri's Pizza in New Jersey. Some of the best pizza. So what I'm going to do first, before I turn on my butane grill, I got these over at the Dollar Tree. They are 2 ultra thin pizza crusts. There we go. And remember what I told you about using your griddle. You do not want to add oil on top of it. No, because if you do, everything's gonna, dog hair, eternally stick. So I'm gonna turn this on. There we go. That's a nice heat. I like that. Wait a minute. I think I know what I'm doing. All right, there we go. And the reason why I'm going to turn this on and off is I do make mistakes. And what I want is, that's my fire ring, fire, and I want to put my things on it. Woo! It looks like these are so big, only one's going to fit on here at a time. Well, that's okay. Mr. Louie already ate. Now then, rip it open. What kind of pizza am I making me? I'm making me a pepperoni pizza. This smells so good. And we do this so we're not afraid to use this when we're out in the wilderness. All right, let's turn this on. There we go. Oh my gosh, and it fits perfectly. It'll fit perfectly on the Ozark Trail butane griddle. What I want to do is I want to crisp it up on one side, turn it over, then I will add my ingredients and see if we get a really good pizza going. Ooh, what kind of sauce am I using? Let me tell you what I'm using. Kirkland. Okay, Mr. Louie has been to Costco. Kirkland organic marinara sauce from Tuscany. Looks like Mr. Louie likes buying bargain brands, but that's okay. This is really good. Shredded low moisture part mozzarella cheese. Very good. And of course, where would I be without my Italian seasoning? I get this from Wegmans store in New Jersey. It's an Italian cayenne chili pepper, but it's an adjustable grinder. I don't like big red crushed pepper flakes. Also from Wegman, I get the garlic slices. I'm part vampire. And then, if it doesn't taste pizza enough, this is from Trader Joe's. This is pizza sprinkle seasoning blend. What's it made out? Tomato powder, granulated garlic, got it, paprika, sea salt, rice, concentrate, coriander, black pepper, dried parsley, dried basil, dried oregano. All right, so that is our ingredients. Did I mention the Italian seasoning? Now then, if you use stuff like this has marjoram, oregano, thyme, rosemary, savory, basil, sage. Okay, so this is dehydrated Italian seasoning. If you put some in the palm of your hand and crush it up and sprinkle on top, what you're going to do is bring out all the flavor. That is going to unlock the flavor. All right, I got this on pretty high, or maybe I don't. Maybe my flame went off. Oh, it's in the unlocked position. Stop doing that. There we go. All right, now we're cooking with fire. I will come back in a minute. Once it's hot enough, I will toss it over. Maybe we'll start. Who knows what is the bottom? But I want a crispy, crunchy pizza. That's what I want. Yeah. Hey guys, just curious. You know, before I get married, should I shave this, or you think that's okay, huh? All right. Anyhow, enough with the fun chit chat. We got this going. Woo! You know what? If it's cold outside, this is great. We are inside my Clam 6x6 Traveler. Love it. Drug it all around the country when that little curve that was going around. So yeah. Not so good. Oh, and I forgot ice pick. Now then, why? Because my Trader Joe's pizza sprinkle, it's not going to sprinkle. It got a little crunchy. I should put in one of those little food packets, you know what I'm talking about. The thing. You know, so it wouldn't do that. But there we go. All right. La 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 la. She is born a murderer. Yes. Oh, the pizza crust is rising up. Did you see that? Oh my gosh, trying to turn you around. Uh-oh, maybe this isn't good. Woo, that's good, that's good. All right, I saw that. That was amazing. So I'm going to turn this down a little bit. We don't want it to burn. And then what we're going to do, woo, la 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 la, pizza for lunch, I love it. Woo, get yourself out a lot of sauce. You know what? You can never go wrong with too little sauce. No, I love pizza sauce. And we're going to turn this way down while I prep it. Woo, get it out to the sides, Terry. Do not burn your hand. Do not burn it. Ooh, no, get off the griddle. Get off the griddle. Oh, it smells awesome. I like this sauce. I like this sauce. Just be careful what you're doing. You are working over a hot fire, Terry. Oh, yeah. You toasted one side, now you're roasting the other. Woo, this is going to be good. I love extra pizza sauce. I do. Now time for some spices. Let's get some of this on. Ooh, should have did this beforehand. Oh, that looks good. But like I said, it always works great if you do it like this. Crunch, 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 crunch. I wonder how long I'm supposed to cook this stuff. I don't know. I like more. Oh my gosh, how much more? See, isn't cooking with butane fun? I told you you'd love it. I hope you're cooking along with me. Yeah, these little things, you know, you just got to pay attention to what the heck you're doing. You don't want to create any sort of thing. Now then, that sauce smelled fantastic, so I'm not going to add much to it. A little bit of my cayenne. Oh, yeah. Woo! And then, what else do we got? Oh, some garlic. Gotta add some garlic. I love my grinders. You'll find out. Oh, yeah, oh, look at how fine of a garlic that is. That's gonna be just wonderful. Oh, yeah. Woo! Can never have too much garlic. And, of course, what else do I like? I might put some of these on the griddle. Dollar Tree. Of course they're from Dollar Tree. Where else would I get stuff like this at? Oh, it looks like you can peel it apart, put yourself on a few of these. I bet you it'll taste better if I griddle it up. Yeah. Oh, I'm so creative, aren't I? Yes, I am. Woo! And then put it on top. I don't know how many of these I need. You can never have enough. And did I tell you to bring paper towels? I have them somewhere. There they are. And for some reason, some E6000, I have no idea how my brain works, but it does. All right. And then we're going to get some more flame going. We're going to griddle up the pepperoni. Pepperoni. Oh, that's good pepperoni from the Dollar Tree. I'll get a few servings, so later on I'll make Mr. Louie a pizza. This smells so delicious. Now it's time. Be generous, Terry. You know it's good for your bones. Some osteo cheese, yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh. I am smelling the spicy pizza. A lot of you might not know this, but if you look it up, I do have a real Italian last name. I'm not going to put it on the interzones, but it's about as Italian as you can get. And pretty soon I'll have another Italian name. Yes, I will. Woo! Are we cooking? There we go. Woo! Now we're going to hear the pepperoni sizzle. Gotta hear that sizzle. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so good. Yep, putting out a good amount of heat. Maybe a little bit more is what I want. I just love some pepperoni. I'm not that worried. All right, so fun facts about these pizza crusts. One crust is 150 calories. So yeah, it's not too healthy. But the nice thing about these crusts, like if you have like some buffalo sauce, some canned chicken or whatever, you can make anything your little heart desires. You really can. And that's what camping is. Oh, my pepperoni's griddling up. Love it. And then I got some cheese with some pepperoni grease on it. Yeah, well, maybe I'll take some of the grease off. But I'm going to let you guys cook up. Yeah. Woo! Listen to that sizzle. Like I said, as long as you don't put anything oil on this to begin, like I love making eggs with butter on it and everything. But I'll have to bring some eggs out here and cook it up. Ooh, these are going to be nice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put the pepperoni on top of the cheese, and that'll really melt the cheese. Woo! There we go. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? I'm just going to tap dry you a little bit. I know, that's part of my fear, right? I know, people love pepperoni grease. Woo-wee! This is coming out nice. It's cooking really good. There we go. We got our pepperoni. Let me just tap, tap, tap it off. Woo! That's good. We might need some more pepperoni. You know, you can never have too much pepperoni. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. We don't want the bottom burnt. Oh, might as well turn it off. Famous last words, right? But this is the first time I'm doing this. I've never made a pizza on this thing. And I'm having a lot of fun. Here we go. Pepperoni, pepperoni. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, yeah. That looks good. I'll take it off and I will show you. Gotta have one of these things. Ooh, nice crispy crunch. Bottom perfect. Do you see the bottom? Oh my God. Woo! That looks good. All right, we are done. Maybe I'll put a couple more pepperonis on top. Oh, that looks amazing. It came together quickly. It's not too healthy, but it's perfect for me. I think I'm going to put it back on here and let it crisp up just one more minute more. I like burnt crust stuff. Come on. Get on there. I think it's a pepperoni. Oh, that's going to be crispy, crunchy. It's good. All right. See you down the road. Happy munching. And I hope we talked a little bit about this. Hopefully you're a little less afraid of using a little butane burner. Just have some healthy, scarce. So we have just made this delicious pepperoni pizza, and I can see a little piece wants to tear off for me. Let's try it, all right? Hear that crunch? Pretty good, huh? Yay, my first pepperoni pizza, and it's divine. It's so good.